soon after the cancellation of the NET exam, Congress leaders dubbed Modi government as paper leak government, asking whether the education minister would take responsibility now. Will PM hold NEET per charcha is what the Congress is asking. Opposition calls Modi government a paper leak government. In fact, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge asked when will the Prime Minister hold NEET Pariksha Pe Charcha, and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra asked for accountability to be fixed. Akanksha is joining us with more details. Akanksha, the cancellation of NET has led to the opposition now questioning what is the government doing about NEET.
Well, yesterday the Ministry of Education has cancelled the NET examination. Remember, the examination took place day before yesterday, that is June 18th. Now, a CBI probe has been ordered because as per the Ministry of Education, they are saying that the integrity of the examination has been compromised with, and they took the decision after the Indian cyber crime team alerted them that the integrity has been in fact compromised as far as the NET examination is concerned. They're saying that strict action will be taken against those who are involved in any sort of who in fact compromise with the integrity of the examination. So it remains to be seen what action is taken and what happens. But definitely a very tough task before the Ministry of Education. The second task at the time when the controversy over the NEET examination is raging and the matter has also reached the Supreme Court. This is the second challenge before
Akanksha, stay on with us. I want to go across to Ankit as well, because the Congress party has now taken a jibe at the Pariksha Pe Charcha edition of the Prime Minister.
That's Mallikarjun Kharge, Swati. He says you do Pariksha Pe Charcha a lot. When will you do NEET Pe Charcha? He says the cancellation of the UGC NET exam is a victory of the spirit of millions of students. This is the defeat of the arrogance of the Modi government, due to which they made a despicable attempt to trample the future of our youth. The Union Education Minister earlier said that no paper was leaked in NEET. When arrests are made of education mafia in Bihar, Gujarat and Haryana, the Education Minister accepts that some scam has taken place. When will the NEET exam be cancelled? Modi ji, please take the responsibility of stopping your government's rigging and paper leaks in the NEET exam as well. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra translated a tweet: the laxity and corruption of the BJP government is fatal for the youth. After the news of the scam in the NEET exam, now the NET exam to be held on 18 June has also been cancelled due to the fear of irregularities. Will the accountability be fixed now? Will the Education Minister take responsibility for this lax system?
All right, Ankit and Akanksha, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep tracking all the developments. For the moment, we're moving on and shifting our focus to our...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.